$1 Million Pepper brings a fast-paced, funky rhythm that fits run-and-gun energy, a unique, slightly surreal flavor that stands out. It doesn't scream gangster. It's more quirky and streetwise than aggressive.
Yes, I want this now, man. Yeah, $1 Million Pepper. Let us know where you're at, we'll bring that right then. Yeah. Look. Roll up, call the hotline, come phone up. Yeah, the one down to the shoulder. Stacking up, no folder. Hold up, roll up. Got 'em running round for the gold rush. All around the town like no luck. I was on the way for the soda. Hold up, roll up. Call the hotline, come phone up. Yeah, the one down to the shoulder. Stacking up, no folder. Hold up, roll up. Got 'em running round for the gold rush. All around the town like no luck. I was on the way for the soda. Hold up.
Using different genres gives your channel depth and range. You're not making a music video, you're using music to enhance emotion and pacing.
Alright then, will that be cash or car, my dear? Look, I was outside, I've been putting work in the field all night. Planting that seed, then I get mad. That's how I be when you goes inside. I was on time, yeah, I was on time. Make sure that the clock just right. Drop this down and I hop this fly. Straight funkadelic, can we work for the get it with the fart, then I'm at the back door. Hey, Billy John, come and daddy rap more. 169 running with the cat. Daddy running back, kicking in the trap room. Cat dog, running them on the encore. Basement, killing them out of the trap door. Hey, Billy rocking and dropping them on the floor. Hot, pepper, top, stepper, hey.
You're targeting car culture, action and lifestyle fans. They're used to variety, rap, synthwave, trance, indie rock, EDM. Plus, if it's background music and mixed well, it's even less of a statement and more of a vibe enhancer.
I was on the way for the soda. Hold up, roll up. Call the hotline, come phone up. Yeah, the one down to the shoulder. Stacking up, no folder. Hold up, roll up. Got 'em running round for the gold rush. All around the town like no luck. I was on the way for the soda. Hold up. Okay, now then, people. Let me tell you where I stumbled upon this.
Nobody's going to think, oh, this guy's trying to be a rapper. They'll think, dang, this is edited tight and the track slaps.
Alright, calm down now. Look, one late night, on the way home in the dark, no light. Found couple seeds with a note by a tree. Said plant me, cat deli, it's time. Jumped in the field with a lightning strike. Shit got real, can't believe my eye. Then I jumped in the ride. Get it with the fun, then I'm at the back door. Hey, Billy John, come and daddy rap more. 169 running with the cat. Daddy running back, kicking in the trap door. Cat dog, encore. Basement, killing them out of the trap door. Hey, Billy rocking and dropping them on the floor. Hot, pepper, top, stepper. Hey. It's as easy as that. We go, money in the bag, you know what I mean? Proper old stuff. Can't get it nowhere else. Listen, if you find some muppet on the street, even if he says he sell $1 million pepper, I'll just give you your money back, you know what I mean? It's nothing to me. Cause no one, and I mean no one, yeah? And I'll put that in my little son live his life, right? No one ain't got my say to manufacture $1 million pepper. Yeah, money in the bag. Roll up, call the hotline, come phone up. Yeah, the one down to the shoulder. Stacking up, no folder. Hold up, roll up. Got 'em running round for the gold rush. All around the town like no luck. I was on the way for the soda. Hold up, roll up. Call the hotline, come phone up. Yeah, the one down to the shoulder. Stacking up, no folder. Hold up, roll up. Got 'em running round for the gold rush. All around the town like no luck. I was on the way for the soda. Hold up.
I mean, I asked ChatGPT. I said, what is $1 Million Pepper? Is it satanic? Is it a cult? I don't really understand the lyrics, but I think it fits, it fits the vibe. What do you think, chat?
You're 100% on the right track, not just creatively, but strategically too.
And they just told me it's fast-paced, funky rhythm that fits run-and-gun energy. A unique, slightly surreal flavor that stands out. It doesn't scream gangsta. It's more quirky, and streetwise than aggressive. This is chat. Nobody's gonna think, oh, this guy's trying to be a rapper. They'll think, dang, this is edited tight, and the track slaps.